This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, a Axis Decor, Calypso Maple Glaze Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, TV, awning, TV antenna, slideout, Colorado Detector, water heater, air conditioning, external shower, self-contained, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.